morning, everyone. Let's continue learning Kachin Jinghpaw language. We will learn verb tenses, especially simple present tense in this lesson. This is a free program. Thank you for joining with me. I am Miss Bogra Glatzglau, freelance language teacher. This table shows you verb tenses in English. What is a tense? In English grammar, tense is a set of forms taken by a verb to indicate the time of the actions in relation to the time of the utterance. There are three main tenses. We all know that: the present, the past, and the future. In this table, the middle column is the present and the left column is the past. The right column is the future. Each column has 4 different tenses, so that you can find in total 12 tenses in English. In this lesson, we will focus only simple present tense. Let's learn simple present tense. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly. Let me explain it in Kachin Jinghpaw. Ya atenta bin nga ai lam glo nga lam ni phe sun sang lang kana nga yang simple present tense be lang rai. Let's learn with this given infinitive verb to walk. In Kachin Jinghpaw, bung li glo ai. Let me repeat again. To walk, bung li glo ai. Let's learn how this verb forms accordingly in simple present tense. In the table, you see 3 different columns. They are affirmative column for forming positive sentence. Second one is negative column. It is negative sentence. The third is interrogative column forming question sentence. Keep in mind the same color in 2 different sentences represents you the same meaning. Let's see the affirmative column. I walk every day. In Kachin Jinghpaw, you have to say ngai shni shigu bungli glo ai. Second sentence, you walk every day. Nang shni shigu bungli glo ai. We walk every day. Ante shni shigu bungli glo ai. They walk every day. Shante shni shigu bungli glo ai. Let's learn how to form for negative sentence. I, you, we, they do not walk every day. That is a negative sentence. In Kachin Jinghpaw, you have to say ngai shni shigu bungli unglo ai. Nang shni shigu bungli unglo ai. Ante shni shigu bungli unglo ai. Shante shni shigu bungli unglo ai. That is how to form negative sentence. Okay, let's learn how to form interrogative question sentence. Do I walk every day? Ngai shni shigu bungli glo ai I. That is the pattern to question interrogative form. Do you walk every day? Nang shni shigu bungli glo ai I. Do we walk every day? Ante shni shigu bungli glo ai I. Do they walk every day? Shante shni shigu bungli glo ai I. We are still learning the same infinitive verb to walk in this slide. To walk, bungligalo I. Depending on the person, the simple present tense in English is formed accordingly. Let's see the column affirmative. You will see the person, he, she, it, John walks every day. W-O-R-K-S. You have to put S. In Kachin, Jinghpaw, she, dai, John, shani, shigu, bungligalo I. In Kachin, quite simple. You don't need to change anything. Let's see how to form negative sentence. He, she, it, John does not walk every day. She, dai, John, shani, shigu, bungli, ungalo I. Let's see how to form question interrogative sentence. Does he walk every day? Does she walk every day? Does it walk every day? Does John walk every day? In Kachin, Jinghpaw, she, dai, John, shani, shigu, bungli, glo, I. This is a grammar lesson. Anyhow, don't feel bored. Let's keep learning with fun. We are going to learn another infinitive verb to ask in this slide. To ask in Kachin, Jinghpaw, san I will repeat again. To ask, san I. Let's see affirmative column. You will see given sentences. I ask relevant questions. In Kachin, Jinghpaw, you have to say Ngai taptuk I ga san ni phe san I. Let's go. You ask relevant questions. Nang taptuk I ga san ni phe san I. We ask relevant questions. Ante taptuk I ga san ni phe san I. They ask relevant questions. Shante taptuk I ga san ni phe san I. Let's learn how to form negative sentence. I, you, we, they do not ask relevant questions. Ngai, nang, ante, shante taptuk I ga san ni phe san I. I will repeat one sentence again. I do not ask relevant questions. Ngai taptuk I ga san ni phe san I. Let's learn how to form interrogative. Do I ask relevant question? Do you ask relevant question? Do we ask relevant questions? Do they ask relevant questions? Ngai, nang, ante, shante taptuk I ga san ni phe san I. To ask in Kachin, Jinghpaw, san I. Let's learn how to form for different person in this slide. Let's see affirmative column. Persons are he, she, it, John as an example. He asked relevant question. In Kachin, Jinghpaw, you have to say she taptuk I ga san ni phe san I. She asks relevant questions. She taptuk I ga san ni phe san I. It, John asks relevant questions. I will skip for it. I will say for John. John taptuk I ga san ni phe san I. Let's learn how to form negative sentence. He, she, it, John does not ask relevant questions. In Kachin, Jinghpaw, She, he, she, die, it, John, tap tuk ai ga sani pe sanai. Let's learn how to form interrogative question sentence. Does he ask relevant questions? Does she ask relevant questions? Does it ask relevant questions? Does John ask relevant questions? She, die, John, tap tuk ai ga sani pe san ai e. Let's learn the infinitive verb to have in this slide. To have in Kachin, Jinghpaw, lu ai. Let's see the affirmative column. I have parents in Kachin, Jinghpaw. Ngai gnu gua lu ai. You have parents. Nang gnu gua lu ai. We have parents. Ante gnu gua lu ai. They have parents. Shante gnu gua lu ai. Let's learn the negative column. I do not have parents. Ngai gnu gua lu ai. You do not have parents. Nang gnu gua lu ai. We do not have parents. Ante gnu gua lu ai. They do not have parents. Shante gnu gua lu ai. Let's learn how to form interrogative negative question sentence. Do I have parents? Ngai gnu gua lu ai e. Do you have parents? Nang gnu gua lu ai e. Do we have parents? Ante gnu gua lu ai e. Do they have parents? Shante gnu gua lu ai e. Here is the same infinitive verb to have for different person. Let's see the affirmative column, positive sentence. He, she, it, John has parents. John has parents. In Kachin, Jinghpaw, John gnu gua lu ai. Let's learn how to form negative sentence. He, she, it, John does not have parents. John does not have parents. John gnu gua lu ai. Let's learn how to form interrogative question sentence. Does he have parents? She gnu gua lu ai e. Does she have parents? She gnu gua lu ai e. Does John have parents? John gnu gua lu ai e. I hope you enjoyed this program. Let me stop here. In next lesson, we are going to learn signal words which indicate simple present tense. Let's keep learning with more fun. Thank you very much. Jinghpaw.